Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm the essentials: signed into your Apple ID, messages enabled, and an internet connection. Once done, open Settings and scroll to Messages. This is where Read Receipts live. Make sure you know whether you want receipts on for every chat or only one person. That choice changes a quick toggle versus per conversation setting. Now tap Messages and look for Send Read Receipts. This single control starts the process, and it's what most users miss when they assume it's automatic. Once in Messages, you can enable Send Read Receipts globally. Toggle it on and you're finished for every iMessage chat. If you prefer granular control, open the Messages app, select the specific conversation, then tap the contact name or info icon. This opens Thread Settings. There you'll find a per contact Send Read Receipts toggle. Flip it on or off as needed. Doing it this way lets you give receipts only to trusted contacts, so you control privacy without losing. Finish by testing. Send an iMessage and watch for the small read timestamp under the message. This confirms success. If you don't see it, make sure messages are blue, green bubbles are SMS and don't support receipts, and restart Messages or reboot the iPhone to refresh settings. Also check the recipient uses iMessage and has internet. Both sides must have iMessage and connectivity. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID in Settings. Then repeat the toggle steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.